Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can download and install the Wells Fargo Bank mobile application. For that, first of all, in Android, you need to go to the Google Play Store. You can also find this application on the Apple Store for your iOS device. You just need to go to the Apple Store and search for the application. Here, once you open the app in your Android, you tap on search bar. Then there type in Wells Fargo and then tap on search. You can see there's the application of Wells Fargo mobile. You tap on that. Now you tap on install. Now the installation process will begin. Now that the application is installed, you can have the Wells Fargo application installed on your mobile device. Hope this video was useful on how you can download and install the application on your mobile device. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.